So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see it's all ply lined. Plenty of space in the rear here as well. We have the sliding side door access and a full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side, speedometer on the right-hand side. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the van, which are 13,055. Beneath that, we have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and it will show you what gear the van is in. It's an automatic, and we're in park at the moment, of course. Within that trip computer section, you can see there's a digital readout for the speedometer currently being displayed. You can change that information for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. And if we back out to the steering wheel, the button I was using to change that information is just here. We have stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter as well. And then over in the center, we have the main touchscreen stereo itself. And as you can see up on here, we are able to listen to our music via AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth audio. This van has also got two separate USB inputs that you can plug devices into. One, which is directly in front of the steering wheel here, next to a 12-volt charging socket. And the second, again, next to a 12-volt charging socket down here. So plenty of ways to listen to your music. If we come out back to the main menu again, this is where you pair up your phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on the screen from there. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you're able to adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in, and then you can turn your air conditioning on or off, so it's on when that light shows. You can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set, of course. And you can turn that on and off very, very easily. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in from here. We have our heated mirrors, heated front screen, heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, and the same for the passenger side as well. And then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The plus and minus buttons on the side here will enable you to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.